Yes, the topic is involute of a circle. Consider a blue color one is called a circle is taken and on the circumference one point P is marked. Okay, so one inelastic string is taken. Inelastic string means the string or wire which does not have elastic property. Okay, is tied at the point P. And it is wound for one complete revolution of the string, what is called a circle. So when I leave the other end, it forms or generates one profile or shape. This is called involute of a circle. How to draw this involute of a circle is to be explained following a question, and this is a simple demo to show you the formation of involute or the origin of involute of a circle. Understand? Please read the question. Draw the involute of a circle of diameter 50 mm. 50 mm means 5 centimeter. So you have to take the radius as 25 mm. Also draw tangent and the normal at any point on the curve. So for this question, a simple calculation is worked out on the side of a drawing sheet where circumference of circle, the formula is studied in school days, 2 pi r, 2 times of radius will be diameter. So pi d is the formula. On substitution, and it is using calculator is found as 157 mm. 157 mm means 15.7 centimeter. Okay, this will be the circumference length of circle. Okay, 2.5 centimeter is taken as a compass. So draw a circle using 2H pencil called the construction lines. The final curve is to be drawn by using H or HB pencil. Okay, now draw a line, center line passing through the center of the circle marked as O. Draw a horizontal line passing through the center of the circle marked as O, and take your protractor. So this will be the center of your protractor, this plus mark at the base point, and this printed line will be 0 degree line. Base line will be 0 degree. So match this with the O point, the center of your protractor. Mark an angle of 30 degree. So in the side of a drawing sheet, work out the simple calculation. The circumference of circle is found as 157 mm using pi d or 2 pi r formula. Total angle in the circle is 360 degree. Divided by 12 will be 30 degree. So this horizontal line will act as 0 degree. 0 plus 30, 30 degree, put a point. 30 plus 30, 60, mark a point. Plus 60, 90, put a point. 90 plus 30, 150 degree, mark a 120, put a point. Then 150, then 180. Join the marked points using freehand scale. Join with the center of the circle and extend the line on the other side of the point O also. Okay. So now I am dividing the circle into 12 equal parts by this procedure. So lines shall be drawn by using 2H pencil. It's all construction lines, will be lighter. So this will be the base point marked as P for drawing the involute. This will be P point. Okay. Then you give number to the divisions obtained. This will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and P point will be 12th point of the circle is equally divided into 12 equal parts. Now I am going to draw a line passing through point P, horizontal line, equal to circumference of circle. So for that you align your scale, keep it on the horizontal line. Okay, the scale edge must coincide with the line passing through the center of the circle O. Move your scale downward through point P, draw an horizontal line. The length of the horizontal line is equal to circumference of circle 157 mm, that is 15.7 centimeter. The other end may be marked as say P dash. Okay, now I am going to divide the segment P dash into equal number of parts, say 12 parts, as we did for the circle. Okay, so draw one inclined line from at point P. The length of the inclined line is chosen in such a way that it is easily divisible by 12. Okay, the inclined line length is easily divisible by 12. You have to choose a length. For example, I choose 12 centimeter, that is 120 mm. 120 mm divided by 12 will be 10 mm, 10 mm. So mark on this inclined line 10 mm, 10 mm, 10 mm, that is 1 centimeter. Like that 12 times. Let me give the numbers to the points divided. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Yes, correct. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Join the 12th point with P dash. So align your scale, roll on scale. Join P12 and P dash. With the same setting, draw inclined parallel lines. Parallel means uniform gap. This is done by just by moving your scale inclined. Let's draw parallel lines, inclined parallel lines. With the same setting, you have to do it. Okay. This is a procedure to be followed. Wherever you mark the numbers, there you draw inclined parallel lines with the same setting. So again, we'll number this. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and P dash will be 12th point. So the circle and this horizontal line has been divided into 12 equal parts. Okay, this is step 1. In step 2, I am going to draw tangential lines for O1. So take your set square. So keep the edge of your set square. It may be 30 degree or 45 degree set square. Keep the edge of your square over O1. O1. The corner should meet at 1. Okay. Using the another edge of your set square, draw a line like this. Downward inclined. Okay. Similarly, O2 at point 2 of your set square meet with 2 point. Okay, draw a line like this using another edge. Similarly, O3, that is a 90 degree perpendicular lines we are drawing. Or if you don't have set square, you can draw it by using a freehand scale also. Keep the short range of your scale in coincidence with the radial lines. At point 4 as corner of your scale. Okay, like this, and draw using the longer edge of your scale. Similarly, O5. Draw lines like this called tangential lines for the radial of the lines drawn. Okay. Similarly, O7. The corner should meet at 7th point. At O7, the short range should meet at O7. Draw tangential lines like this. For O8, for O9, for O10, for O11. Okay, so the length of the lines shall be, this will be smaller line passing through 1. This passing through 2 will have increased length. Passing through 3 will have more increased length. At that proportionately you draw these lines extended. Okay. So later also we can extend this line to the needed length. Like this. Okay. So next, take your compass. Take P1 distance. P1 on the horizontal line passing through point P. Take P1 distance in your compass. Keeping one of your circle. The circles are given numbers. 1 as a center of your compass. Draw cut a arc on this line passing through 1. That is, this is the distance. P1 distance is taken from the horizontal line. Keeping 1 as center, cut a arc on this tangential line passing through point 1 of the circle. This point shall be marked as, say, P1. P suffix 1. Next, take P2 distance in your compass. P2 distance is taken in the compass. Keeping 2 of your circle, 2 as a center, cut a arc on this line. This point shall be marked as say P suffix 2. Same you repeat. P3 as distance in your compass. Take P3 distance from the horizontal line. 3 of your circle means is at here. Cut this line, it cuts at here. This point of intersection may be marked as a P3. Similarly, take the distance P4 in your compass. Keeping 4 as a center. Cut a arc on this line. Cuts at here. This point will be P4. Next, take P5 distance in your compass. The distance will correspondingly increase in every step. P5. Next, take P6 distance in your compass. 6 of your circle is at here. Cut that tangential line is at here. Next, P7 as radius distance in your compass. Then and there you can give a name to the points obtained. P8 distance is taken, and 8 of your circle, this is point 8. This will be the line passing through point 8. Cut an arc on this line. Next, P9 distance is taken in the compass. 9th, this is the line passing through 9 of the circle. Okay, vertical line. Next, P10 as a distance taken in the compass. This will be 10. Okay. Next, take P11 distance in your compass. Cut an arc on this line. Okay. Next, take P12 distance. That is the last point. It will coincide with the point itself. That is OP. For that OP, this horizontal line itself will act as a tangential line. It will intersect at point P. Okay. So this will be same will be as P12. Okay, let us give name to the points obtained. P4 will lettered P5. This will be P6, P7, P8, P9, P10, P11, and this is a P12. So here the arc doesn't intersect. Extend the line for 11th point. Okay. So draw a smooth curve passing through these obtained points starting from P. P1. First you draw it a lighter line. Just to slightly lighter line you can draw it. Later you can make it dark using H or HB pencil. As it is answered asked in the question. Is to be highlighted using H or HB pencil. First you draw a lighter smooth curve. Don't turn your drawing sheet or drawing board. Your hand should bend. Suppose if it goes correct me, not correct. If it goes wrong means you can erase that part and correct it. Waviness are not accepted. It should be a smooth, gradual curve. Painting is not accepted. You don't paint like this. Okay. Draw a smooth curve passing through these obtained points. So now you can join it by using H or HB pencil. Let me use a different color for visibility. Join P with P1, P2, P3, P4, P5. P7 with P8, P8 with P9, P9 with P10, with P11, with P12. Yeah, this smooth curvature is called as involute of a circle. Okay, the circle is to be dimensioned. Dimension means marking the size or the length. Here it is given as 50 mm is the diameter of the circle. So radius will be half of the diameter as 25 mm. I'm going to mark in terms of radius. So I'll mark, use this O8. So put narrow arrow, shade the arrow. Okay, so this distance is radius, half of the diameter. So extend this O8 line and draw one horizontal line parallel to PP dash. Move your scale upward. This type of line is called a leader line. Inclined line is used to mark the size. Here radius is taken. So R25 is written. It's the size of the circle. Okay. So next in the question, it is also asked to draw tangent and normal at any point on the curve. Let me choose one point on the, anywhere you can choose this point. Let me choose this as point P. For this marked point, I am going to draw tangent and normal. Join P with the center of the circle O by freehand scale or roll on scale. Join OP. Measure this distance, OP distance. Measure it. It comes to 100 mm. Here it comes 100 mm. Half of 100 will be 50 mm, 5 centimeter. Put a point. Let this point be marked as, say, any letter you can give, S. Okay. So PS distance will be same as OS distance. Take that distance in your compass and take the distance, keeping S as center. The distance will be same on this side and on the other side also. Okay. So the midpoint will be S. Draw one semicircle. The semicircle, where it cuts the circle, is at here. So let this point be marked as, say, N. So again I'll repeat, join OP, locate its center, OP line center, S. Keeping S as center, PS as radius, draw an arc. This arc where it intersects with the circle is at here. This point shall be marked as, say, N. Join NP. That forms normal. So normal is constructed first in this case. Join NP and extend that line other side of letter P. This point shall be marked as, say, N dash. So draw a line perpendicular to N dash at a located point P as corner of your scale. Draw a line using this longer edge. This shall be drawn by using set square also. So it's marked as a tangential line T dash for the located point P. Suppose if you want to use set square, means the corner of your set square must meet with this point of intersection. Okay, you can draw this using this other edge. This edge should meet with N dash line and extended on the other side of letter P. The tangential line T dash is obtained. Okay, and the last step is to write all dimensions are in mm. So right side bottom of your diagram, draw two guidelines for uniform height of letters. For that, roughly don't draw. Keep the edge of your scale in coincidence with the PP dash. Move your scale downward. It's called parallel line. So draw two guidelines for uniform height of letters. And you can write a common statement. All dimensions are in mm. This 25 in terms of millimeter that it represents. Okay. Write all dimensions. Dimensions means size. All dimensions are in mm alone. You can write by small letter. Mm means millimeter is a unit followed. So you also understand the concept and practice and score better marks in the university examinations. And thanks for listening. Yes.